Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Back Corner Studios. I am Josh Dobson. I am the owner of this shop here in Stratford, Ontario, Canada. We specialize in classic car restorations, custom paint, and pinstriping. So anything for your hot rod and classic car needs. Why don't you come on out and we'll take a quick tour and see what's working on in the shop right now. Alright, so this is the main shop. So this is where most of the magic happens here. This is our main heavy body area. All of our bodywork, prime, and sanding and all that stuff happens. As you can see, we've specialized in full off-chassis restorations. From this all the way up to your daily driver. These are our two main bays. We have a semi-downdraft booth is set up. We've got it for a little side load here. So this is the main portion of our shop. Now there is a few back rooms and we'll head on through this way and check things out over here. And here we are in our fully stocked mix room where we're mixing everything in-house. We're using RM Onyx for our paint line, and we can do anything from OEM matches all the way down to 100% fully customized colors. All mixed in-house and created here. So yeah guys, make sure you lock in, subscribe, check out our other videos. We're gonna be running how-tos, we're gonna be running tech stuff, we're gonna do equipment. Make sure to stick around, subscribe, check us out on our socials, follow along for daily updates and everything else that's going on right here at Back Corner Studios.